Hey sis. Did you want to head to the news studio and pull their fire alarm? I don't know if we should. Come on, Liz. Oh, all right. Here we go. Please don't do it. Too late. I'm through. See you later. Oh no. We're all going to die.
All die together Mandy. We are not going to die. Some Timmy can figure you out.
Okay, who pulled the fire alarm now? Huh? Not you again. Don't worry. I'm not laying a hand on you. But the cops might. Blaze is all yours. Thank you, Blazing Beauty.
Up to your tricks again, Psycho?
Not this time. I wasn't involved this time. The blame's all on Blaze.
I'll believe it when I hear it.
It was all Blaze's fault, love.
What? I guess I owe you an apology. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too.
For what?
Cheating on you when we were dating.
Apology accepted, Lizzie, but you have to apologize to Steve and Humberto too.
Alright. I'll do it.
Good.
Agreed. I'm sorry I cheated on you.
Apology accepted.
What do you want, Lizzie?
I want to say I'm sorry.
What?
Yes, really I am, for cheating on you.
Let me see. Apology accepted.
Thank you, Humberto. Wow. I can't believe Lizzie actually apologized to you for cheating.
Yes! And Steve, and Humberto too, her husband.
Wow.
I know. And I know she apologized and all, but you know I would never do that to you.
I know you wouldn't cheat on me.
At least I know you don't have a cheating problem. Baby girl.
I know, right?
Aw, I'm so glad I married you.
Me too. Mr. Cute Butt.